Welcome back, everybody. I know we just had some Arctic air throughout a lot of the state, a lot of the area just last week, even just a couple of days ago for the high line. But looking ahead, the Arctic air remains absent, or at least off towards our north, way on up there. I mean, closer to the Arctic Circle, up around Alaska and the Northwest Territories, Yukon Province. That's where some of that Arctic air will remain through the weekend, all the way into taking you through the end of January right here. And look at the ridge into the western United States. And right here, this will be next Friday, the final day of January, and that Arctic air stays off towards the north here. So it does not look like it'll be very cold anytime soon. 37 above in the capital. Great Falls, 39 degrees, made it up to 50 again in the Electric City. Still 44 in Lewistown, 47 in Billings. Mild air even finally up in Havre. They're running around in shorts in Havre today. That's what we hear. But looking at the radar, and there is a bit of snow crossing the Bitterroot Mountains here, heading over through the Sapphire Mountains as well. Some of this will move towards the capital area here tonight into early tomorrow morning. Heading over the mountain passes, Rogers, Flesher, McDonald Pass, there will be a little snow here. Not anything surprising for the end of January. And would you look at that? That right there might even be a tornado warning west of Seattle. I'll check on that, but there have been reports of thunderstorms out there around coastal Washington and Oregon with this storm, but it will not translate into a powerful system here in Montana. So a couple of snow showers coming through tonight. Tomorrow, partly cloudy and windy here for a lot of the state. Heading into Thursday, notice a little snow in the mountains, but really not much. More in the way of wet weather well west of us here. Through Friday, Saturday, partly cloudy. Now, I know Sunday looks like we may have a little snow in the southwestern part of the state here. That's our next chance at getting a little precipitation, but not much in the way of snow in the lower elevations east of the Continental Divide. You can see around Yellowstone, around Glacier National Park, through the higher elevations of Idaho, picking up some of that snow, but little to no snow in the lower elevations anytime soon. That will really amount to much. 20s and 30s here for a lot of the state, not for highs, for lows here tonight. So unusually mild weather continues, and there will be a couple of snow showers again coming through around the capital, especially up into the hills around town. Tomorrow, a snow shower in the mountains, otherwise partly cloudy. It will be a blustery day for tomorrow. Temperature still above average in the 40s. For Thursday, mostly cloudy in the western part of the state. May get a few flurries in the morning around the capital, a few flurries or even a few raindrops in the morning near Great Falls. Highs once again well above average. For Friday, partly to mostly cloudy skies, 40s and 50s for most of the state. And then here we are into Saturday, partly cloudy skies, 40s to around 50 degrees. Unusual weather here for the final week and a half of January. This coming weekend is the final weekend of January, and again, it will feel more like late March or so with temperatures in the 40s to around 50. Saturday, partly cloudy. Sunday, increasing clouds with maybe a couple areas of some snow coming in late Sunday night into Monday. Great Falls, 40s and 50s. You know what's strange is that this is eerily similar to last January, which was very mild, very dry, and then we flipped the switch in February.
Yeah.
I don't see flipping that switch in February just yet.
Okay, thanks for that, Curtis.